Okay, so in order to utilize Teams, I've just logged into my course site, into my Teams site. Over here, I'll just go back, guys. So here's my course site set up in Teams, and I've started a meeting in there. And that's where I can run my lecture. So I'm going to go in, and what I'm going to do is change my device settings. I'm going to go into show my settings here. And over here I can go down, and where I select my standard webcams, sorry my head's in the road, try and get out of the road, where I select my standard webcams, I've now got the choice of these OBS Virtual Cameras. So I'm going to select OBS Virtual Camera 2, and then using the Tools section in OBS, I'm going to go down to Virtual Cam, and I'm going to start OBS Camera 2 or 3 or whichever you like. And now I'm capturing within Teams and projecting my desktop source. So I might like to open a PowerPoint. I'll go and find one of my course PowerPoints in here. Open up my PowerPoint here. Start presenting that on my screen and start delivering my lecture. Moving my way through, speaking over the top. This is being broadcast live into Teams. You can also hit the record button and make sure this is captured in Teams as well. Okay, in order to start a virtual OBS webcam using Collaborate, I'm going to go into my course site where I have a Collaborate link already sitting there. So I've got a Collaborate Ultra link here. In I go. Put it up yourself, it's fairly easy in the Tools menu. In here I've created a session already just for this test. In I go, into my session, and I'm going to join the session. Okay, so to set up my OBS webcam, you go over to the bottom corner here to this little purple arrow and open up a session where your chat, etc. is. And I'm just going to change my settings. So what I'm going to do is set up my camera and microphone. So at the moment I've got an external microphone, but you just set that up on any microphone you want. Yes, it's working. And then you can select your camera much like we do in other software, but I'm going to select my OBS Camera 2, which is the one, and I say yes, it's working, and in I go. Now if I want to share that screen, I'm going to share the video. This space in my Collaborate space, it's capturing my screen down the bottom here, and students will be able to see it. I can of course turn on my audio as well, so that's going into that stream, and students will be able to see my lecture continuing down here.